friends, welcome back to my video. Today we will learn what is the easiest way to make money online in 2022. I can certainly tell you about some methods, but you must first understand that what easy means to you. If you believe that money will magically appear from nowhere, then you should forget about making money online. But if you are willing to put in the efforts, and here are some awesome ways for you to get started. So first one is microtask websites. So much work for just few bucks, but hey, you asked for it, so it's easy. CPA marketing. Go for pay per sign-ups offers, and you can easily earn up to like $2 to $3 for per sign-up. Digital products on Etsy. I've done it myself and I'm still on it, but it does require time, a lot of time, so that you can pamper your Etsy account and start getting orders. Secondly, Amazon KDP is there. It doesn't require investment, but it also requires a lot of time. I mean, a lot, but it's totally worth it since it's Amazon. Freelancing is another option. Only if you have a skill. If you don't, you can learn and sharpen it when completing freelance projects. Print on demand, but not in a typical way. I'm talking about with influencer marketing, etc. etc. Since I have just briefly told you about these ways, and it's upon you that you research and come up with your own strategies for developing these accounts. However, there are some other ways as well that I have mentioned in my other videos section. So I highly recommend you to check that out. And yeah, you can thank later for that one. Peace, guys. Thank you.